In the next chapter of this course, I'm going to teach you about file handling in Python. And we're going to specifically talk about text files, and we're going to be working with text files in Python. So file handling basically helps us as Python programmers to store and retrieve data from text files. So let's say you're working on a program and you need to actually store data that the program outputs. You could use something like a text file to store that data in the text file. And then when next you want to make use of that data, you could just read it from the text file. So we are going to learn how to work with files and file handling basically in this entire chapter. So anytime you are working with files, you have different modes that you can use to manipulate or retrieve data from those text files. So we have some of those modes here which are outlined on this web page. I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description of this subtopic so you can go ahead and check it out. Now we have four basic modes which we are going to talk about, which is the X. X helps to create a new file. W helps to write to a file. A is to append, which is to add more data to the file, and R is for reading. Now you are going to exactly see how all of this works. So the first thing that I want you to do is head to your code editor and create a new folder and call it chapter 9. Chapter 9. And then once you do that, inside chapter 9, I want you to create a new file and call it creating a file.py. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is actually to create a file. So in order to move on to the more complex topics like writing to a file and reading to a file, reading from a file, we need to first understand how to create the file in the first place. Now, when working with files in Python, Python has already given us a bunch of inbuilt methods or inbuilt functions that we can make use of in order to perform various operations on these files. So in order to create a new file, the first thing that we need to do is that we first of all need to create a new variable. So I'll create a new variable and I'll call it file, and I will equate this to this open function, inbuilt function right here. Now, what exactly does open do? Open is a function that takes in a few parameters. So to prove that it's a function, I can just press my control and hover over it. And once I do that, you can see that Python gives us this. So it comes in Python by default, or comes with Python by default. Now, once we type open, the first thing that we need to pass in is the name of the file that we want to create. So let's just say we want to create a text file called example.txt. Now, the next thing that we need to pass in is the file mode, which is the mode in which we are trying to work with this file. Now, since we want to create a new file, we're going to make use of the X mode. Now, if you look at this, it says create the specified file and returns an error if the file exists. So anytime you want to create a new file in Python, what you need to first of all do is type in the name of the file, right, which is example.txt in this case. And then the next thing is you put a comma, and inside quotes, you need to pass in the mode that you are trying to, the mode in which you are trying to work with this file in. And since we're trying to create this file, we're just going to type X. Now, once you do that, we're just going to come down, save it, and run this program. So once I run it, let me just run that. I want you to notice what happens. Now, you can notice that a new text file called example.txt was automatically created for us. I want you to take note of something. Now that this file was generated, you can notice that it was generated in the base directory, that is the parent directory of where everything is present in, of where all the chapters are present in. That is because if you don't specifically pass in the file path to where you want that file to be created in, it will by default create that file inside the base directory of your project. Now, let's say I rename this from chapter 9 to, let's just say, chapter-9, so we don't have any issues. What I can now do is, in order to create a new file inside chapter-9, what I will do is I'll type in chapter-9 / the file name. So let's say I want to create a new file called example2.txt. Now, I want you to notice what happens. I'm specifying that I want to go into the chapter9.txt folder and create a new file called example2.txt. Now, once I run this program, I want you to notice what happens. You can see that an example2.txt was created inside chapter 9. And once I close chapter 9, you can see that that file was indeed created in chapter dash 9. So what you can do is that when you want to create a new file, you can dictate exactly what location or exactly what folder you want that file to be created in. So that is basically how to create a new file in a new text file in Python. As we move on, I'm going to teach you how to write contents to a file, how to read from a file, and how to add data to the file.